Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change color background on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the phone app, locate and click on Recent. Click on the three dots at top right, click on Settings. Now go ahead and click on color background. If you have two SIMs or dual SIMs on your Samsung A54, click on the SIM whose background you want to change. Then go ahead and click on background. Select the background from either custom, feature and gallery. So let's go to gallery to set your photo as your background. So scroll down, locate and click on the photo you want to set as background, or better still, you can just come to pictures, then swipe through and then click on the photo you want to use. Then you should have it like this. Then you should say set as color background, then go ahead and click on that. Then color background applied. Now when next you have an incoming call on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, then you should see the color background changed. You see that? So that's exactly how to change color background on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.